So has XRP entered the quote final countdown to the big blast? Is that about to begin? Per this technical analysis analyst that we're about to look at, I want you to make your own decision. I want to make your own choice. I'm going to tell you up front, he's not giving a target of how high this final countdown to big blast would go, what the big blast would equal. But there is some historical precedent of north of $3. The one thing I would say to you, and I'm going to take you back to when the SEC Ripple case was settled, right? When the judge handed down her decision. We all expected, I believe, that run to last more than really 3 or 4 days. Remember that? It was a 3 or 4 day. It was euphoric. It was awesome. The problem was it didn't last very long. Now, this is not something bad I'm saying about XRP. This is something I wanted to point out to you about the overall market and the macro market, the larger crypto market, and the fear and uncertainty that exists in that market. It's short-circuited and short-lived that what we were quite possibly expecting to be a bull run as a kickoff from that. Now, what's come after that is, obviously we know, and I've said this in numerous XRP videos, is that the SEC is going to file an appeal. We knew that. Them filing an appeal doesn't kill the original deal. And by the way, the particular judge, Judge Torres, none of her decisions have ever been overturned on an appeal, just FYI. But my point to you is that run didn't last very long. And ultimately, the reason I'm pointing that out is because I wanted you to understand that, with this 20% drop that we've seen in the last couple of days for XRP, to me, it doesn't change anything about how I feel about XRP. It's more of a dialogue and a narrative around the broader macro market, crypto in general. Okay. So obviously we know that in the last 7 days is that XRP's moved down dramatically. We know it moved down from that 60+ cents now to, this 50-cent range. But what I really want to focus you on is this number, north of $60–70 billion worth of market cap being wiped out in the last 24 hours. Now, there's some people that would say that happened because of, Elon Musk's SpaceX divulging via this Wall Street article that back in 2021, they sold all $370 million of their Bitcoin. That was something that happened 2 years ago. But the article just hit. Why did the article hit now? We're dealing with this kind of bloodbath over, billions and billions and billions of dollars. Obviously, it's way more than 1 billion now. Has been wiped out. I'm only using that for visual reference, right? So my point to you is that we've had this scenario playing out in the larger market, and this is not an XRP specific thing. Okay. It's not. And so, but with that said, are we now kind of at the bottom, at this 50-cent range? This is where we're at right now, where we're trading in this 50-cent range. By the way, this is my software, my trading indicator software, X1 Algo. You can get it. Links in the description below if you want to get it. There's a discount code down there for you, by the way. If you would have had this software, you see how it flashed this momentum right here? You could have got it and saved yourself about, I don't know, an average of about 12% down. Okay. So that's what this software does, is it works inside of TradingView. It gives you indicators, momentum up, momentum down. It does a lot more, by the way, to give you, open you up to opportunities, either to buy or sell a particular crypto or stock. This is it right here on Tesla. It works on any and all cryptos, any and all devices, Android, Apple, desktop, anywhere in the world you can use it. It's very, very simple. I've got tutorial videos and everything for you. Okay. So that's a link in the description below to be able to get it and be able to get a discount too. Okay. So I just want to point out, guys, that we're in this broader market correction scenario playing out. We absolutely had a flash crash, and XRP was one of the ones that was hit dramatically, but it wasn't the worst. If you look at the last 24 hours, let me show you this real quickly. XRP was in the top 5, but Litecoin was hit. ApeCoin was hit too. And if you look at that in the context, like in the 24 hours, XRP lost about 10%. Yes, it did. But if you look at the 7-day chart, sorry about that. You look at the 7-day chart, you can see that there were obviously worse hit as well. Am I downplaying or minimizing what's happened to XRP? No. You guys know I'm a fan. I'm part of the XRP army. I own XRP. I am adding to my bag at these levels. Do I think this is the lowest we're going to go? No, I don't. I think we have some more rough waters ahead. Benjamin Cowan, one of the renowned technical analysis out there for Bitcoin, talks about the fact that August and September, traditionally before in the pre-halving years, which is what we're in now, before the Bitcoin halving, which is coming up in May of 24, says that, you know, August to September are the worst months. Well, we're obviously in the middle of August, right? So all of this kind of adds up to the fact that I think we got some more rough waters ahead. We might have some more downside risks. So I'm going to DCA in a little bit, find some opportunities, maybe using my indicator, wink, wink, nudge, nudge, right? Okay. To identify those opportunities to maybe minimize risk downside, but also momentum up. See, this momentum up just flashed right here. It's seeing that there's some trend. We might be starting to move back up a little bit, you know, buy and sell, swing trading, things of that nature. Now, I always have two bags when I'm looking at in a particular crypto. I kind of a long-term bag and then like a swing trade bag. And so that's one thing that X1 can help you with, is like swing trades and things of that nature. You know, swing trades where you're just, you know, you're kind of riding these momentum up and down scenarios and things of that nature. All right, that's all I got for you. Again, links in the description below if you want to check out X1 Algo. Take you to the website. I've got a whole everything there. There's a discount coupon down there, everything like that. Okay, so yeah, this could be us getting ready for the final big blast for XRP to take off. We could be seeing that, but I'm also going to be a voice of cautious optimism here, and I'm going to minimize some risk scenarios. I'm going to DCA in, but I am going to continue to buy, because being able to buy XRP, even if we go lower, to me is a fantastic deal. My opinion, not investing advice. That's all I got for you. Thanks.